Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your August lock not unlocking all the way. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your August lock and for some reason it's not unlocking all the way. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your August lock. Next, click on the gear icon in the bottom right hand corner, then click on lock settings. So what worked for me is that if you scroll down underneath utilities, click on calibrate, go ahead and recalibrate your August lock in order to get it to fully unlock. But this is what worked for me. I just recalibrated it and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your August lock unlocking all the way. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.